This is HV brand wireless emergency button. It works with HV brand solar power perimeter beam and app alarm panel. It is with small size and can be attached to the wall or placed on the table. It has one 520 mAh button battery CR2450. Because the power consumption of the device is small, it can be triggered more than 1000 times consecutively without battery replace. The wireless transmission distance at open area can reach more than 300 meters. When the emergency button is used with the alarm panel, it can trigger on-site sound and light alarm and mobile phone app alarm, shop professional burglar and fire alarm. At vedardalarm.com